MC Blizzard coming out like a storm. Burn 50 pounds, keep my fingers warm. Better get some backup soon, this could get rough. You fake rubber gloves, just ain't enough. You think you can mess around with me? Spit verses and chat lyrics at me. Well, you ain't got no chance to keep up with this. So get back to Stansfield and sit in your crib.
Yo, where the fuck you at, Blizzard?
I'm a lyrical miracle for wars like a tap. Don't come this unless
Gonna have to do this myself.
Sick, my face is well painted up in rhymes like bombs all over your ends.
Yo, Blizzard, with this brand new track, you're getting defensive cause I'm on the attack. Not heard from you in 9 long years, getting pretty salty by the taste of my tears. Calls and texts don't answer them no more. One day more, my heart's just to the floor. Guess I put my thumb on this brand new tack. Rhymes coming faster than your mind can react. It's not fair to leave us in the lurch or Gordon Grime in the street getting murked. Without the pillar of support that's Blizz got the hood, ends, manor and streets in a tears. But what the fuck, man, it's 2016. This old soldier's eyes looking at a new scene. The timeless classics that made us massive and now massively passive and lyrically Jurassic. This is now my heartfelt plea. If you're out there, Blizzard, listen to me.
Just listen.
We need you, son. This world is rough. Last few years have been pretty tough. I know there's a reason you're stuck in a rut.
So stuck.
Bad dad needs help, he got life in the butt. I'll try to hold the screw together to the stormy weather, but it won't get better till the rightful ruler's back on his throne. This royal Blizz got a hard stone. Scratch that! Born in the depths of Calvo, watch us spit hot fire like a salvo. No qualifications, I'm proud though. Backhanded slap, put your mouth ho. Blizzard and Storm's got my back, bro. Now the CC's here to take me to town, yo. Out to cause trouble and how so? Cause I'm all fluffed up like an afro. Step up to the massive and I break your arm. You'll be doing the splits as Jean-Claude Van Damme. Out to cause serious bodily harm. And klaxon, sound the alarm. You wanna shit talk about me, fam? Nah, man, don't give a damn. Run your mouth and you'll be gone. Clap you around the head like El Kabong. Now scratch that. Yeah, man, now scratch that. Yo, Blizzard, I'm begging you, man. It's time to come home. Life's just not the same without you. Sick. Calvo for life. Ashleen. Yo, man, where the fuck is Peter Storm anyway? Sick.